Hey everybody, this is JT with Uneek Graphics. Today we're doing a 2020 Camaro ZL1. We're doing a half wrap on both sides. It's got custom printed design. And let me show you what we've got. Excuse the loud heater in the background, guys. Here's our Camaro. I've got the side cleaned and prepped before we put the vinyl on. I've also got our knifeless tape blade where it's going to cut it here along this body line. And that'll give us a nice crisp edge without putting any blades to the paint, and give us a nice finished edge. So here's what it looks like with the graphic placed. We end up having a pretty big bulge here in the backing, so we're going to do this front part first right here and then go back this way. And we're back with the driver's side all finished up. This side went a little quicker with doing the other side. We understood our complicated areas and got it done about half an hour quicker. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.